Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss Dynamic 365 Field Service and Sales. So in this video, we will be talking about field service and how that work out of the box with Dynamic 365 for sales. So I have already logged in into the field service app. Now change area as sales. So click on that. So where I can very easily navigate to the opportunities. So for this demo, I already created an opportunity and walked through the entire process from opportunity to quote to an order and agreement. Now go ahead and open the opportunity which I have already created. As you can see here that we are already in a field service opportunity form and which is called the field service information form. So in this video is based on how field service and the sales module work together. So here you can go ahead and fill out all the information on this form. So this form is also configurable. So you can add fields and you can remove fields. Now click on opportunity lines tab from here. So you can see that we have actually have product based line that we can add to this opportunity as well. And that is a big change right from the quote unquote regular item based type of opportunities. So you can just go ahead and add opportunity lines directly from within here. And the button is not here right now because this opportunity is already won, but that's where you would add that. And then if you wanted to add product based line, so you can do that from here as well. Now click on service based line and then click on edit from here. So as you can see that I have a field service form for my opportunity lines as well. So that give me some different type of information that I can enter here. So here I could put in description and I can put is what the start date, end date and the duration, and then the system will automatically calculate the total duration of that. Then of course the service account and the price list and the estimated value of this particular opportunity as well. Now go back. And once all of that has been filled out, we can go ahead and navigate to codes from here. I have already created this code, and if you want to create new code, you can create it from over here. So that allow you to create that code. Now click on this code. So again, a lot of information from the opportunity. Just we are used to win item based type of opportunity will be copied override. So the name, opportunity, potential customer, price list, etc. Now move to the quote lines from here. And again, we will see that the line product and the service based line from the opportunity has been brought over and to the quote. Now take a look at that quote line. So this quote line has already been configured. Now I am going to show you what exactly I did. So click on that and then click on edit. Now as you can see here, the quote line we have a field service form, and that's why you are seeing some different fields such as write the actual start date, end date, the duration, the service price list, and then we have some prices, and this is already being filled in by the application when I am creating my booking setup, and those are really the nuts and bolts of the agreement that will be created once this code has been marked as one. Now click on code booking setup. So normally this would be empty and you can just click on this add a new code booking setup. Now click on that and then click on edit from here. So then this form will load, so I can put in what is the name of it, work order type, and you can notice now that I have this field on the form twice. Want to take that off, but want that means is that once this particular code goes into an order, which will then also create the actual agreement. Once that agreement has then be created, do I want to auto generate the work order for those for that agreement, that this purely functionality of the maintenance or agreement, I should say, in Dynamic 365 or field service. So you can set it there as well. And that at this particular point, we would not have selected an incident type as of yet. So we just populated some of these fields that will save this code booking setup. And then the first thing that we will want to do after saying that code book for booking setup is we want to set the booking recurrence. And the booking recurrence is already how often are we going to send somebody out there. So in this particular case, we are gonna do for repair parts. So here we can set what we recurrence pattern is gonna be. In this case, I actually select daily, but obviously you can also select monthly, daily, weekly, and yearly. And then depending on what you repeat in your are going to actual have some different option, and you repeat by now since I selected daily, so I can repeat by every weekday. So in this example, I actually said I want this to occur be on every, and then I want to put in a start date, and then I can put in I want to have no end date, maybe an end date after a number of specified occurrences, or I can end it by a particular date. And here I can set my custom dates for this as well, obviously, because I am saying repeat day every on first day. And once you done that, you actually saved that code booking setup record. And once you done that, now select the code booking incident from here. And this is really then looking at the incident types that you have in your instance. And the other thing that you want to make sure is that your incident type is actually configured to pull the product and its services over to that particular agreement. Now click on details tab. Agreement, right? So that's what this yes means. So you got to make sure that your incident type is configured. That's why, because otherwise you will not see that. So in this video we will discuss Microsoft Dynamics 365 Field Service and Sales Part 1. Thanks for watching.